This 75-inch QLED 4K UHD TV is one of the best TVs Amazon has released. It has stunning 4K quantum dot display, the QLED, and makes everything brighter, richer, with more lifelike colors. And of course, it has advanced HDR. And also has HDR10, adaptive of course, and HLG is also supported. Let's not forget Dolby Vision. We have to think there's a lot on this TV that no one talks about or mentions. This is really one of those TVs that can compete with the higher end price TVs that have the exact same specs. I also like the fact that it has adaptive brightness. So that's something that also works out in the room. If it's sunny or it's nighttime, that changes. It has a built-in sensor that detects the lighting in your room. With bolder contrast, the experience with deeper darks and brighter whites is unbelievable. Why? Because it has full array local dimming with 96 individual zones, enhancing contrast. So there's just a few things that I've mentioned thus far, but as you can see from these pictures and images, this is a beautiful, beautiful TV. Let's not forget it also has hands-free Alexa built in. So with the built-in microphones, you can just talk to it as you would with any other Alexa unit that you may have around the house. So let's see, it has the 4 HDMI inputs. It also has the HDMI EARC, which lets you add audio equipment like a sound bar. So yes, this is Amazon Fire TV's 75-inch Omni QLED 4K UHD Dolby Vision TV. So until I come across something else that I want to talk to you guys about, definitely look into this, as I recommend it highly. Thanks.
That's an excellent TV. For really good resolutions. Like a Fire TV 65-inch. Really good for people who like to play games and watch movies. The speakers are okay, not too loud. Just need a good soundbar to connect with, and you can even add the webcam on top if you want to use your TV to make video calls through Alexa.